So this is the video Umidigi shared on its official Twitter account. That's right, it's still Twitter to me, and I'll still keep calling it Twitter. Anyway, let's check out the video. So according to the video, Umidigi has confirmed that the upcoming A15 Ultra would feature a 200MP main camera. Now, as for the processor, which according to online sources would be the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus, that has not been confirmed yet. Okay, so I don't know if the device would feature that processor or not, but if it happens to feature the 9000 Plus, then it's just going to be amazing, guys. The 9000 Plus 5G is an old flagship processor, but it's still a high-end processor, guys. It's still better than many mid-range processors that we have today. Anyway, this is what I wanted you guys to know. If you want more details about the A15 Ultra, then feel free to use the link in the video description. I mentioned all the important details of the device according to online sources. They are not confirmed, so have that in mind. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.